Euro dollar. Big push to the upside then last week. He's in a consecutive run right now. One, two, three, four, five. We've had our finger on the pulse with this because the macro regimes changed. We saw that change and we spoke about this, right? This is why we've been crushing it of late in the markets. Now, why are we heading to the upside? As I explained for the dollar update, there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding the US dollar. Obviously, we've seen the surprise announcement from the Treasury in terms of the repurchases of bonds. We have seen signs of stagflation, growth slowing down in certain economic data points. We're seeing, obviously, the fears still of stagflation, inflation remaining high, oil energy prices remaining high. So and it's creating a lot of uncertain environment around the United States economy. Okay, so investors are demanding more yield. So borrowing costs, so yields are rising because investors are demanding more yield. But at the same time, remember, they're also going to be paying back. So investors are going to, not investors, excuse me, US companies, US, because the yields are rising, the costs, interest for their debt rises. So it's a catch 22 in some sense, especially at the moment more so. So if we look here at euro dollar, okay, we're consolidating a little bit at a moment in time. Got a very key area of liquidity at 1650. It's probably that we'll try and draw, sorry, should I say 70? It's probably likely that we're going to try and grab some liquidity today because nothing's changed at a macro level. I'll be keen to see price pushing below, coming anywhere in this proximity for some dip buying. I have specific plays around this, but you can see the way we want to potentially break out. This is purely technical ahead of further committed moves. All we're going to do, obviously, at the end of the day, we're at premium, we want to print it higher low and then carry on to the upside. So still buying pressure eyed. Big week this week for the dollar, for all dollar related. Kevin Walsh, head of Kevin Walsh, we've got prelim GDP from the United States. It's going to be focus as well because obviously there's fears of slowdown. And then the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, which is core PCE. So a very, very big week. Guys, know how to trade this, know all scenarios, know how to capitalize. Links below. Go and apply for my mentorship if you are interested. If you're let's help you grow. Let's build together. Let's get you funded. Let's get you multiple funded. Check out the links below.